In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Roblox gift card by text. By the end, you'll know exactly how to purchase a Roblox gift card, grab the code, send it in a message, and what the recipient needs to do to redeem it successfully. First, buy a Roblox gift card. You can choose a digital card from a trusted online retailer or pick up a physical card in a store. If you buy digital, the code will be delivered to your email or your retailer account. Keep it private and don't share it anywhere public. If you buy a physical card, look for the scratch-off panel on the back. Gently scratch it to reveal the code. Avoid pressing too hard so you don't damage any characters. Once you have the code, copy it exactly as shown. If you're on a phone or computer, double check for extra spaces or characters. What you copy is what will be redeemed, so accuracy matters. Next, send the text. Open your Messages app and start a new message. Add the recipient's contact, then paste the gift card code directly into the message field. It's helpful to add a short note so they know what it is, for example, that it's a Roblox gift card code and where to redeem it. Keep the message simple and clear, then tap send. If you're concerned about privacy, consider deleting the message on your end after they confirm they've received it, and remind them not to post the code anywhere publicly. Here's what the recipient will do to redeem it. They should go to the Roblox gift card redemption page using a web browser. They need to sign into their Roblox account before entering the code. Redeeming while signed in ensures the funds go to the correct account. Once signed in, they enter the gift card code exactly as you sent it, then click redeem. If everything matches, they'll see a confirmation and funds are added to the account as credit. That credit can then be used on Roblox for eligible purchases. If they run into an error, have them recheck the characters. Common mix-ups include similar looking letters and numbers, and confirm they're redeeming in the correct region and on the correct account. That's it. Buy the card, copy the code, send it in a text, and the recipient redeems it on the Roblox gift card redemption page after signing in. Keep the code private, send clearly, and enjoy gifting in just a few taps.